Okay, so now that we have broken down the chemical equation into the ionic equation and we have removed the spectator ions, so the oxidation state, now we'll just move on to developing the ionic half equations, okay, from this ionic equation. So this is the ionic equation, right? And now we'll develop the half equations. So half equations just show you what is the oxidation half and what is the reduction half, right? So iron on the reactant side, the oxidation state of iron is 2 plus, right? So iron, if you just focus on iron, so iron goes from 2 plus, okay? Iron goes from 2 plus to 0, सही है? From reactants to products. So Aslan, quick, tell me, is this reduction or oxidation? Say it is reduction, right? So iron right here is the oxidation state is getting lower, right? So there's a decrease in oxidation state, and that's why iron is reduced. So in the reduction half of the equation, we'll just simply write iron 2 plus, right? And it is reduced, right? So it gains 2 electrons, right? It gains 2 electrons, and then it becomes iron solid. See? And with zero oxidation state. And always remember to put the state symbols. So this is the reduction half of the equation, right? Let's write the oxidation half. So zinc, let's write it in a different color. So zinc goes from 0 to 2 plus, right? So zinc basically loses 2 electrons, and those 2 electrons are gained by iron. So zinc loses 2 electrons, it forms Zn2 plus, and 2 electrons are also released for zinc. Understood? So zinc is getting oxidized, right? So these are the half equations for zinc and iron, and that's how you form uh, ionic equations from chemical equations, and then you form the ionic half equations from the ionic equations. So this is the reduction half. Say on the reduction half, you'll have electrons on the reactant side, and this is the oxidation half, in which you'll have electrons on the product side because they're being released, right? They're being lost. And basically, these 2 electrons are gained by iron. So yeah, but you have to write them separately. So, अभी तक सब कुछ clear है? Everything is clear. I hope you have no questions.